Hey guys, welcome back to another great vlog from me. I, hope you guys enjoy today's vlog. It's mostly me talking about the new direction the channel's going in. And I just want to say welcome to the few people we got from the Street Speed 717 vlog. I know he just opened up a package I'd sent him, and all of a sudden I got, I think it was 9 new subscribers real fast, and I think that was because of him, and I want to thank him. And I want to thank you guys for coming and giving me a chance. And I just want to let you guys know I wasn't planning on actually telling everybody about the new car I was buying just quite yet. I wanted to wait and make it a surprise. But because of the new subscribers, I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys what I bought right now. So I went ahead and I purchased a 2011 Local Motors Rally Fighter. Now, some of you guys I'm sure will be, familiar with this vehicle. Some of you won't. It's an all-American made small production car out of Arizona. What this thing is it is a car body on a trophy truck frame, basically. Now, it's not quite that extreme, but it's close. It's an off-road, boonie bashing awesomeness vehicle. And I am super excited to get it. Like I said, I didn't actually plan on telling you guys what I was getting, so the rest of this vlog, forget it. I recorded it earlier in the day before Street Speed uploaded his thing, and I got the new subscribers. I just wanted to let you guys know what it was, just to kind of keep you interested, keep your interest there. And I know, some of you don't care, some of you will care, and if you don't know what it is, I'm going to have some pictures up while I'm talking. You've already seen what it is. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're just going to go do some errands and stuff, and I figured I'd talk a little bit about how the vlog is going to be changing. It's been about 6 months since I started this. I know the time's flown for me. I hope it has for y'all too. And I'm just not really seeing the growth that I had hoped. I mean, yeah, I've got 109 subscribers now, but that's really not that many, especially not for as long as I've been doing it. And I'm not real sure how else to market it myself and how to, kind of go about getting more subscribers, making things more interesting for people. I know I don't do the best editing it all the times, but, I think I do half decent. And so I've kind of decided I'm going to go and do a complete and total switch up. So right now, the channel is mostly focused on travels and stuff like that. And the travel's still going to be there. I mean, my lifestyle, it just makes it so travel's something that has to be done. And I enjoy it. I think you guys enjoy it. But I need something else to draw people in. So, as I'd said in a couple vlogs back, it might even have just been the last one, I'm going to start, me and Kayla had just bought a car, and I'm going to start focusing the vlog a little bit more on auto vlogging about the car, about living with the car as a daily driver, because it's not exactly something most people are going to even consider for a daily driver. If you notice, I've already gotten kind of prepared. I'm switching over to another camera for part of my filming. What I'm using right now is a Sony FDR X3000. And at the moment, I don't have any way of hooking my microphone up to it, so I hope the audio in it's okay. And part of the reason I'm going to the action camera is, it just makes a little more sense for the car, some of the things I'm wanting to do with it. Of course, I'm still going to use the 70D a lot, but for like this, it was really easy for me to take that GoPro suction mount I had that I reviewed a while back and just stick it on the window, hook it up. I've never used it like this before, so I don't know how the shaking's going to be. If I look at it right now, the way I've got it set up, it looks pretty shaky. It might be completely unusable. I don't know. So, we'll see how that goes. And another thing I'm changing with going to that GoPro style camera, or the action camera, is I'm filming in 60 frames per second to get some of the stuff smoothed out, get some less blurring, and just generally make motions look smoother. So, I hope this is something that you guys can get behind. I know some of you probably are going to be a lot less interested in, say, the car stuff than the travel stuff. But the travel will still be there. I'm just hoping that the car will appeal to more people. I know the people back home, like my friends and stuff, hell, my friends don't even watch my channel most of the time. And it's because to them, the travel just doesn't really do it. So
for them, I think the car will definitely draw them in, and that's half the battle. Most of my videos right now are averaging someplace between like 15 and 25, 30 views. That's not really that good. Along with changing to the car, it's going to be partly, like I said, just kind of the daily living with it, some of the adventures and stuff we can do with it. But another big aspect of going to the car for the auto vlog is I've got this idea I want to do. My plan is I want to take cars that are poster worthy, you know, things that you'd have hung up when you were a kid on your wall or as an adult in your garage. And I want to take those cars, and me and Kayla are going to drive across the country with them, just to kind of show you how they are as a long haul car, just to show you, you know, even though it's something we all may want, or, you know, a lot of us may want, it's not really a reasonable car. I mean, yeah, they're a great car for what they're made for, but as far as a daily driver, as something practical, they're not quite there. Yeah, they're fun in their own right. They're great when you have them for what they're used for and what they're made for. But that's just it. It's what they're made for. They are not made to be a daily driver. They are made for specific tasks, whether it be a race car, whether it be flashy, you know, the whole 9 yards. Everything's got its drawbacks. And so we just kind of want to highlight that and take a trip across the country. Part of the idea with the trip across the country is we're wanting to stop as many places as we can and talk to real people. Like, maybe not even necessarily people we know. Just go to the different places we plan on stopping and find locals. See what the locals do in those areas, how they feel about everything. And, you know, it's as much about the American road trip as it is the car, but then there is still the, you know, heavy focus on the vehicle. And doing that, I think it'll be really interesting to see. I think it'll make for a good little web series. With that, I'm going to do kind of a day-by-day episode. They might end up being really long episodes. Who knows? But however long it takes us to get from one side of the country to the other. And I'm wanting to do this at least once just to kind of feel the waters with the car I just bought. And if it doesn't work out, then it doesn't work out. But if it does work out, if I see the channel growing, if I see interest in it, the plan is to do it at the very least 3 times. And I've already got the 3 cars in mind I want to do. The first one I've already bought. It's on its way. It's just not here yet. The shippers are picking it up tomorrow, and it's supposed to be here on Sunday. And when I say tomorrow, it's Friday, the day you all will be seeing this. So, fairly soon, we'll know how this is going to work out, how it's all going to play out. There's going to be a little bit of growing pains, like with anything. You know, I've got to get used to talking about the car. I've got to get used to, you know, kind of feeling out what exactly it is I want to do. Because, like, right now, this little talking segment, that's all this vlog's going to be, is more or less me talking about this and a few other things. And I don't feel like that's a bad thing. I like that idea. It's just, it's not something I've really done before. As far as just me talking kind of things have been, it's always been a review, which the entire time I own the car is partly going to be a review, but at the same time, it's not going to be the sort of review I've ever done before. So I hope you guys decide to follow along with me. I hope you guys can enjoy it, and at the very least, give it a chance. Tag along for 1 or 2 of the first adventures. If you don't like them, come back later. Try it again later after I've gotten some time in under my belt. One thing I'm wanting to do that's going to be a little different than like a lot of the auto vloggers stuff is I'm still going to use the drone a lot. I'm still going to focus on the areas we're at, and I still want to use like the 70D. It's just got a better sensor. Yeah, it doesn't do the 60 frames per second and some other stuff. But as far as low light, as far as detail and stuff, it's going to be better than anything these action cameras can do. And like anything, it's going to have my own style to it. I know I've been watching a lot of other auto vloggers, and I really love cars. I always have. And so I feel like it'll be something I'll be able to be a little bit more passionate about all the time, rather than sometimes now I'm not always... I mean, I'll even admit, when I watch my own videos, a lot of times I'm just low energy. So hopefully this will make me a little bit more personable, and we'll just go from there. A lot of the auto vloggers, they don't really add any kind of cinematic touch. I wouldn't call what I do cinematic, but at the same time, I do a lot more than a lot of them do. So hopefully it'll set me apart just that little bit enough to get me some more viewers, to get a good, you know, strong following. And the only time will tell. I mean, as you guys could see with like the episodes, like the cooking and stuff, and then just the different travel, I've never really known the direction I wanted to take this. I knew I was going to be traveling a lot, and that was going to be the main thing. But other than that, I really had absolutely no idea what I was doing. And I think that's another thing that's going to help out. Now that I know what I want to do, and I know what I'm doing, I'm going to be doing the auto vlog. I'm going to be showcasing the car as an everyday driver. I'm also going to be planning to take it across the country. You know, I've got clear set goals, and I think those clear set goals will really help to push my channel to the next level, because I won't just be floundering looking for this, looking for that. And all in all, I think it's going to make for a better watching experience, at least for the people that are interested in that kind of stuff. So once again, I am sorry for kind of completely changing the direction of this channel for the people that have been with me for a while and that do watch my videos a lot. I appreciate all of you, and I want to know, I want you all to know that it means the world to me to see you guys' comments in my comment section. I love the fact that people actually do watch it and to be able to see that they do watch it. So this is just kind of me letting you guys know the direction we're going into, and that I do think it's going to be a good direction, and I hope you follow along.